Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stunning 208 in the GTI specification. So this car's not only got great performance, but it's packed full of great features. You get this lovely panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, rear parking sensors. Inside the car, it's half leather interior with heated front seats. The 7-inch touchscreen features sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. We've taken this car in part exchange. It features the 1.6 litre petrol engine. It gives you 208 horsepower. It's done less than 27,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.